For the training, I think Anthony is a very good teacher. Yeah, so I enjoy the lesson and I learn a lot. I think in the future, because data is coming bigger and bigger, larger and larger, so I maybe have some experience to use the data science in my working field. And so I have an advantage because I learned something about data science. I can use Python or something else application, so that if the opportunity is coming, so I can catch before the other person. Because I'm a student of NNE, a PPS class, so I attend this class for listening to Anthony talk. Oh, it's wonderful. Excellent. Yeah.